Welcome to Benny's collection. In this video, we'll be learning how to drape a double-breasted suit, and the measurement we'll be using is the shoulder is 18, the sleeve is 25, the chest is 40, while the tummy is 36, the full length is 30.5. All right, first thing first, we'll take our boundary lines. We're using the top edge as our boundary line. Then we will use this part. You can see it here. Then from this part, we take 2.5 inch. Here is the 2.5 inch line. You take it downward. Then from the top boundary line, we take 1.5. These are 1.5 line. You take 1.5. Pause. You take your 1.5. From your 1.5, we take our full length. Our full length is 30.5. These are 30.5. Then we take it. Then we'll add 1.5 for folding allowance. This is it. This 2.5 here is our extension. It's our extension for the double breasting. All right, so from here we take our tummy line 16.5, 16.5. We connect. All right, so from this top line we take 1 inch upward, 1 inch upward. This is where our front part will start from. So connect. So we get our arm line. In getting our arm line, we are dividing our bicep by 2. Our bicep is 14, so we divide it by 2. This is 7. Then we add 1.5 to it. 1.5. Then to give us 8.5. 8.5. Then we'll connect our line. All right, so let's drop out our back parts. Okay, before then, our bust frame is our chest plus 14 inches. If we do it, it will give us chest is 40 plus 14 inches is 54. If we divide it by 2, it will give us 27. That's why it is like this. This is our bust frame. This is our bust frame 27. All right, so we take our neck part. Sewing allowance 3.5. 3.5. 3.5. Our back neck depth 1 inch. Then we'll connect. Then bringing it here, we add 1.5. It will give us 5. Add 1.5 to the 3.5 to give us 5 in getting the front neck. So we'll connect our line. Okay, so let's get our shoulder. Our shoulder is 18. This is our sewing allowance. This is 18. Then you add your sewing allowance to here. Our shoulder slant is 2.5. Then we'll connect. Then we'll bring down this line 6.5. Bring it here 6.5. 6.5. We connect. Okay, so let's finish up our back parts. You go in for your shape. You go in here by 0.7, here 0.5. Then you connect your line. Then you connect this part to this way. Then you go up by 1 inch. You go up by 1 inch here. We connect this line this way. This part will help us to get this is our sewing allowance. These are actual back 18. Then you go in by ½ inch. Then you connect this your ½ inch to your actual back. This way. This part is connecting to our tummy line. Our tummy, if you divide that 6 by 6, it will give you 6. So our tummy is 6 at the back. So this is 6. You add your sewing allowance. Then you connect this part like this. Then you come to this part. Our shoulder is 18. This is 18. Then you go in by half inch. This part. Then you connect to your tummy. So this is it. Then we get our vent. Our vent is 10.5. 10.5. Yes, 1.2. Yes, 1. Then we'll connect. So our back is set. Let's drop out our front part. 2.5 as our slants. Our neck 2 inch. 3.5. Okay, so let's get our armhole. Our armhole, this part you go in by 0.5 here, 0.5. Then this part you go in by 2.5. 2.5 here you go in by, you go down by 2 inch. Then you connect this 2.5. This part, if you have connected it, then we connect the down part. We extend this curve upward. Okay, so now let's get our chest measurements. This is our sewing allowance. Sewing allowance 8 inch. You subtract your 8 inch from this front line. Our chest is 40. This is 40. You add 3 inch for seam and your button allowance. This is 1, 2, and 3. You do same thing to this part. This is 6 inch our sewing and our sewing allowance. You subtract your 6 inch here. Our tummy is 36. This is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. Then we connect. Alright, so this is it. Take a good curve. Our vent is 10.5. Here is 1.2. Then we'll connect to this down part. Alright, so let's get our lapel. Getting our lapel, you measure 1 inch here. Then connect your 1 inch to your tummy line. To your tummy line this way. Then this part you go in by 0.7. Then this part you cut out by 0.5. Remember, this 0.5 we take from here. We are bringing it here. So we connect the line this way. So if we have done that, alright. So this lapel, we want a bigger lapel, so we are using 3.5. 3.5. Then we give it a slant this way. Then we connect from our tummy with a good curve this way. Okay, so now let's get our cuts. Our cut 0.5, 1 inch, 0.5, 1.5. So we connect these lines this way. We connect this way. So before we connect these parts, we are getting our chest measurement, our chest pocket. Okay, so let's get our chest pocket. 0.7. Our chest pocket is 4. We take our center line, which is 2. We drop it downward. Our down pocket location is 20.5. Is 20.5. 20.5. So we are taking out 0.3 here. So this way. So now we connect this part this way for a good shape. We are taking this out. Then I'll cut 7-inch upward. Alright, so this is it. Are we good to go? Let's cut out. We are cutting because we are cutting one first, the top layer, because this is a check material and we ought to follow the direction of the material. Continue. You say I get in time.